Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over how you can fix a leaky gut. The first thing is to avoid certain foods. So I put 3 types of foods on here: grains, sugars, milk, and dairy. So with grains, gluten-containing grains like wheat, spelt, rye, and barley can stimulate higher zonulin levels in certain individuals. This allows your intestine to absorb more nutrients. While whole grains can be part of a healthy diet, they're best consumed soaked or sprouted to deactivate anti-nutrients. Anyone struggling with a leaky gut should avoid gluten completely until their gut lining is functioning properly again. Next is sugar, and I mean refined white sugar. It's often added to foods like desserts and drinks, and too much natural added sugar like cane juice or maple syrup can also be problematic for people with leaky gut. Sugar can cause imbalances in the gut flora by feeding yeasts and bad bacteria, which further damages the gut. Several studies suggest that fructose is one of the key carbohydrates involved in the regulation of intestinal permeability, and too much can cause harmful effects. The third is milk. Now, conventional milk can be problematic for those with leaky gut syndrome. It is amongst the most common food sensitivities and therefore should be avoided. Next is the foods that you should eat. First is phytochemicals. Now, a diet that promotes digestive health should focus on fibrous vegetables and fruits, as these foods contain phytochemicals, which have been reported to improve tight junction integrity by controlling proteins and inflammatory signaling pathways. While raw vegetables and fruits may be difficult to digest, cooked or blended vegetables are just as powerful in healing and supporting the body. Choose a wide variety of colorful vegetables and fruits with plenty of leafy greens. Next is bone broth. Thanks to its healing amino acid profile minerals and gut healing collagen, bone broth can be incredibly nourishing for an inflamed gut. You can make it homemade, organic, pasture-raised, or grass-fed animal bones, and that is the best for healing. Third is fermented foods. Now, I've mentioned fermented foods many times in the past, and this is because they contain good bacteria which brings it into the gut. Examples like kimchi, sauerkraut, even beverages like kombucha. Third is healthy fats. Now, healthy fats are good for you all around, but they also contain anti-inflammatory and medium-chain triglycerides, and they're easy to digest. So things like avocado, omega-3 oils, stuff like that. And turmeric. I've mentioned this as well, but it also helps with inflammation and the gut lining throughout the body. Now, there are turmeric supplements, or you can add it straight to your food, but I don't recommend putting too much as it is quite potent. And finally, we have supplements. Now, there's one supplement I recommend above all, and it's called Sinogut. It's a digestive supplement, and it helps to restore the gut lining and grow good bacteria to help with proper digestion. So I'll show you the supplement facts. It's a natural supplement made completely from vegan and plant-based materials which are sourced in the United States. It is FDA approved, and it is based on a 30-day treatment period, and it's designed to fix your leaky gut and any other digestive issues such as constipation or just a poor digestion in general, designed to heal that over 30 days, and they do have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work to fix you in 60 days, you can get your full money back. So when I use this supplement, it fixed the vast majority of my digestive issues, so that's why I'm recommending it here. I'll put a link to it in the description if you're interested. And with that concludes how you can fix your leaky gut. I hope this video helped you out. Try some of the things I said, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.